Have you been locked out of your client's backyard? Well, guess what? The RipTide can solve that for you too. Now keep in mind, I'm a 200+ pound delicate flower. I can put my foot right here, and then also right here. And guess what? Now I can reach over the fence, unlock the client's gate, and I'm good to go. I wouldn't try that with any other cart system, but the RipTide's very durable and well built. So not only is it the best cleaner in the market, it's also the golden key to anyone's backyard, regardless if it's locked or not.